products, which is the Time Define Skin Refinishing Lotion and the Bright Idea, just to give them a feel of how these products are. I'll just take small dots. And I'll obviously explain her why I'm using these products for her, so make sure that you do that. And looks like my time is up, but I think I'll just take 5 more minutes. So please bear with me. And you just take like really less of this amount because it's not required, and then slowly like rub it on her face. And after the skin refinishing lotion, which is usually expected out of you, is to put the Bright Idea. So again, I put the very small amount, it's actually just this much. And again, put it in the dots, and then again slowly rub it around. When I'm removing the mask, I didn't have time right now to show you all, but I usually give like a very decent kind of a massage, with just lifting their face up, which actually, they like it because the mask is almost smooth when you make it a little wet. So it's nice to give them a little massage on the face. And last but not the least, you put the moisturizer, which is the lotion, which contains SPF 15. So make sure that you tell them because they really like it. Otherwise, especially if they are in Seattle, they don't need more than SPF 15 unless they are a sports person or they are in the sun a lot. And if they think they are, please promote what we have in our business, which is called the Peter Island Sunblock. It's really good, and it's got like SPF 30 to SPF 45. And once this is done, do ask them how do they feel. They'll usually give you true comments because they have paid for it. And then I again ask her to get back into the machine, and because I've done her half the face, actually they'll see a difference between before and after, because that's what I'm going to do right now. On your chair? Okay. So,
this big screen back here.
So, you actually see a result between the half the face, which you can get your SAMs done from your upline or whoever it is, and you'll see a difference between half the face, how it was. This is how a SAM is being done. Show your face. Yeah, you need to look at her closely. I'm sure she doesn't want that, so don't do that. But this is how usually I do the SAM, and I get great results with the ladies that come to me. Make sure that you ask referrals. While closing the sales, there'll be 3 scenarios, okay? One will be they'll be willing to buy everything and anything that you recommend them. The other will be budget. They'll tell you that I have a budget. When you start talking to them about the products, immediately they'll tell you. You don't need to ask them. You'll figure it out. So work accordingly, but make a lot of profit, even if you're working with the budget. And the third will be they don't have any money. So I don't know why they came to you, but you'll find a lot of people who will actually come and tell you, I don't have money to buy either of them. So it's okay. Either you can do drop and shop with them, or the best thing is to do, if they enjoyed what you did to them, then just ask referrals. Referrals is the best thing to ask for, and they'll give you. Give them an incentive. If they're giving a referral, say if you give me 3 referrals, if they buy something from me, I'm going to give you these products for free. So depending on how much sale it's going to happen, I might give you this product for free. And if you want to give them incentive, you can give like, if they buy today, they'll get 5 to 10% off depending on how much you want to make profit. And also tell them about the 100% money back guarantee and everything. And about the products can be shipped to them. All these are small things, which you should always keep it in mind. And I showed you the artistry gift bags. Make sure that you have them in a lot of them, and always have a database of your client. So, we usually do a 6-week follow-up, which is being recommended in our system. and I actually call them for a 6-week follow-up and see how the products are doing for them. Don't bother if they come and tell you that they want to return the products, because you find all kinds of people. We know our products are the best, but if you manage to get somebody, don't be upset. Just go and find 3 more people. Okay, so that's the best thing to do. And with that, my time is just exhausted completely. But I want to invite Hina, and she's going to complete this presentation by telling us what else can the guys do and a lot more with the cosmetic stuff.
Guys, that was a totally awesome presentation, and I'm sure nobody's got any excuses to go out and get a SAM done, except for the people who are not SAM certified. So what you do if you're new in the business and you don't have a SAM machine or you're not certified, of course you can go to your upline who's local and ask them to do some SAMs for you. And you could also learn while the next SAM certification happens, and then make sure you get that done. It's only like $70 or $75 for the whole day, and you learn everything you need to know, and you get a certificate which you can hang in your house when you invite people over to do a SAM. The other thing is, so if you don't know how to, if you don't have a SAM machine or you don't know, you're not certified, there are a couple of other ways of making some profit through artistry, and one of them is called the drop and shop method, which she mentioned, and this is really good for guys. Even for ladies, if you're busy or if you don't have a client you have a client who's not who doesn't have time. So what you do is you get a hold of these bags. You can order them. They come in like a whole bunch. You can order the little ones or the big ones. And in this, basically, what you do is you order samples of certain products, and you you put them in here and you drop them off. Now, what we normally recommend is 3 products for 3 days, okay? And after the 3rd day, you go pick up. Now, what products do we put in here? The basic system, the system that she used for Sandhya, which is you can use this too. You get the little size also, the travel size, but you also get the full size, and you get this bag. It's really up to you how you want to customize it. You can put these 3 products, the cleanser, toner and moisturizer, either in sample form or in the full size product, whatever you feel comfortable, in here. Put a catalog, put your card, your business card. And I don't know if any of you guys checked out the Quickstar website. You can now get a card made for pretty much any product you want to specialize in. So I'm going to pass these around. I got these made for artistry, and all I do is I just staple my card on the bag, and I just pass them around. You get like 250. You can even order 500, and they're not expensive. And they have the actual logo on it, so there's no copyright issue. You don't have to go to Vista print and all that. And these are customized cards. So you do that and you drop it off to your client, or if you're at work and you want to give it to them, or you put in the microdermabrasion system that she talked about, which is the scrub, this cloth, and the skin refinishing lotion. You have to ask your client what they need, whether they're looking for the microdermabrasion system. After you talk to them, that what exactly they're looking for in skincare. Okay, if it's somebody who's got like a lot of major problem skin, you want to give them the microdermabrasion system. And if somebody who's just looking for basic skincare, you want to give them your basic skincare. And so you tell them that this is a risk-free trial for 3 days, and that you will pick it up after 3 days. And when you go to pick it up, either they'll say, yes, we like the products, so if you want to order it, you take the order. They say, no, we don't want to order it. What do you do? At that point, you just leave the catalog with them and get some referrals. Okay? So that's one of the methods, the drop-in shop. The second is really easy for ladies, and I'm trying to see how men can do this too. But it's called purse-to-purse selling, and you can order this little artistry essentials bag. It comes with makeup kit inside. Somebody talked about it a few days ago. Or you can put anything you want inside.